What's happening, guys? It's Jason from Aircooled Vintage Works, and behind me here, this is our 69 bay window Westie project. And if you've been following along on our Instagram page or in some of the other videos on our YouTube channel, then you're probably already familiar with this bus. It looked a lot different though. It used to have rust staining all over it. And you can see some of the videos in there where I remove all the rust staining, and now we're at the point where it's fully polished, and you can see there's got great reflections all over this original paint. This is a killer survivor bus, and if you want to see how I did it, scroll back through our YouTube channel and you'll see there's some long form videos about how to save paint like this. Or if you're like me and you've got some short attention span issues, you may want to jump over to our Instagram page and check out our reels, because 30 seconds will do the same thing. But today I want to talk about something different. We'll get into this bus later, but right now I want to talk about some parts. And the part I want to talk about is what I consider a safety item. A lot of people will just do disc brakes on their Bug or their Ghia and just bolt them right on and go. But what you should be paying attention to is how you're going to push those discs. And for me, this is what you need. This is a dual circuit master cylinder conversion kit. This is something that we sell, again, as a safety item. For anybody upgrading the disc brakes, this is something I consider to be mandatory. So if you're running things like these Willwoods right here, or just the standard disc brake setup, or if you've still got drums on your car and you just want to be extra safe, have some assurance, this is what you need. And what this is a 25mm bore master cylinder. So it's a lot bigger than stock. It's going to give you better pedal pressure, but more than that, it's got enough pressure that it can push these calipers right here, or any type of disc brake caliper. So you're not going to have that pedal fade that you get with a single circuit master. Plus, with a stock master, if you were to lose a brake line, all that fluid is just going to go right out that hole, and none of this will work. No front brakes, no rear brakes. With a dual circuit like this, the circuits are split front and rear. So if you did lose a rear line, you still have front brakes. So you've got some safety still left. These are bolt-on deals. So again, Beetle, Ghia, this will bolt right on. This one right here is for 67 and earlier, but we also have them for 68 and up. And it comes with everything you see here that you need. So this is a bolt-on upgrade, super easy to do. Again, if you've got a Bug or a Ghia and you're running disc brakes and you have not done this, you do need to do this now. Don't wait. This is under 200 bucks. It's a super easy upgrade. You do it once and forget about it. Hit the disc brake section, hit the brake section of our website, and you'll find these in the brake cylinder section. Or if you can't find it there, just drop us a DM or a message and I'll point you to the link. Actually, in this video, I'll put a link down at the bottom so you can just click right on it. But don't sleep on these. You do need to do this upgrade. And stay tuned to our YouTube channel. Make sure you subscribe. We're going to be talking about this bus in the future and a lot of the other projects that we're doing that you haven't even seen yet. So stay tuned.